Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by preparing the device. Plug it in and make a quick backup so you don't lose data. Once done, unlock the phone and go directly to Settings, then Battery and Device Care, and tap Battery. You're looking for more battery settings or the Protect Battery toggle. This is the control that limits charging to 85%. Make sure you're on the primary owner account and not a managed work profile so settings are editable. You now disable Protect Battery. Flip the Protect Battery toggle off and observe charging behavior. If the switch is grayed out, make sure you removed any work profile or device admin app that enforces charging limits. Go to Settings Accounts or Device Care Special Access to check. If that still fails, reboot the phone and revisit the setting. Keep an eye on charge reporting. It may take one full charge cycle for the system to normalize. If disabling the toggle didn't work, you move to Advanced Fixes. Remove any work profile under Accounts, disable device admin apps in Security, and install pending system updates. Once updated, try the toggle again and then fully recharge. If settings remain locked, back up and perform a factory reset as a last resort, because that clears policies. One key troubleshooting tip: if policies persist after reset, the device may be enrolled in Enterprise Management. Contact Samsung support or your IT admin before further attempts.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.